the world's first biomimetic AI robot Moya. Yes, China has taken another big step in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence, and the name of this step is Moya. Moya is an advanced humanoid robot that shows a glimpse of the future, where robots are no longer just machines but are going to become an important part of human life. Moya has been designed by Chinese engineers in such a way that it can easily interact with humans. Its body structure, face design, and movement are so smooth that it feels like a living human. The main focus of this robot is not just strength or speed, but intelligence and understanding. Moya's design clearly shows that China does not want to limit robots only to factories, but wants to bring them into daily life. Inside Moya is a powerful artificial intelligence system that gives it the ability to make smart decisions. This robot can listen to the human voice, understand questions, answer them, and react according to different situations. Its biggest feature is that Moya can learn. This means the more interaction it has, the more intelligent it becomes. This learning ability makes Moya very different from normal robots. Moya's sensors and cameras give it the power to see and understand its environment. It can detect the face of a person standing in front of it, understand their expressions, and respond accordingly. Because of this, Moya does not feel like just a command-based robot, but more like an intelligent companion. This technology can be especially useful for customer service and public interaction. When it comes to movement, Moya's balance system is quite advanced. This robot can walk smoothly, take turns, and move while avoiding obstacles. Even on uneven surfaces, it can maintain its balance, which is quite challenging for humanoid robots. Its joints and motors are designed in such a way that its movements feel very natural, not mechanical. Now, the biggest question is where Moya can be used. China is testing it in hospitals for patient assistance, where it can guide patients and provide basic help. Apart from this, Moya can work in customer service as a receptionist, in factories for repetitive and risky tasks, in research labs for experiments, and in the education sector as a teaching assistant. The purpose of Moya is not to replace humans, but to make their work easier. China wants to become a world leader in the field of robotics and AI, and Moya is a strong example of this vision. While many countries are making robots for limited use, China is focusing on large-scale humanoid robots. In the future, Moya can become a part of smart cities, help people in malls, airports, and public places, and make daily life much more comfortable. But with every advanced technology, some challenges and questions also arise. People often ask whether robots will take human jobs in the future, or whether AI can be fully controlled. In the case of robots like Moya, privacy and security are also important issues. That is why China is not only working on technology, but also on ethical guidelines and safety rules. Experts believe that in the next 5 to 10 years, humanoid robots like Moya will become even more advanced, affordable, and common. It is possible that in the coming time, in a hospital, office, or shopping mall, you may not meet a human, but a smart robot like Moya. It would not be wrong to say that Moya is not just a robot, but a live example of the future, showing the direction in which technology is moving. And what do you think about this? Do share your opinion in the comments.